how to organize files or content for Airbnb. If you want to organize files or content on your Airbnb, here if I go to airbnb.com, now if you are a hoster, which means you have your property that you want to list, and you want to organize them quite well, first of all, after you go to airbnb.com, switch to the hosting version of Airbnb by clicking on switch to hosting from the top right. Now from the top, you can see the option called listings. So of course you want to click on listings and you'll find all of the listings that you've made. Now we can organize them in a stacked view or a grid view, and you'll be able to see the type, the location where it is, and the status of whether it is in progress or not. If you want to get rid of a certain listing, you can click on that listing and click on the remove listing button. If it is not really ready for you, you can go ahead and click on the remove button. And if you want to add a new listing, you can always click the plus icon, whether you want to host a home, an experience, or a service. And this way you can basically organize your files or your properties on Airbnb. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.